Yes, you're right. I do have a lot of art supplies, and in today's video we are going to discuss about Posca pens. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. So if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel.
So Uni Posca paint markers are acrylic paint markers and come in various nib sizes. Basically this marker means acrylic paint in a pen or marker. Paint markers can be used in numerous ways like drawing or coloring on wood, plastic, ceramic, glass and even on walls and doors. These are the best for wall murals, and I recently finished a mural on my kitchen cabinet using these markers only. You can watch the full process video on my channel or even on Instagram. So Uni Posca pens are available in 3 nib sizes in India: 1M, 3M and 5M. So 1M is the finest of all, the medium one is the 3M and the broadest is the 5M. They also have even wider tip, but I'm not sure that this wide tip pen is available at a genuine price on Amazon or not. Posca pen is available for rupees 150 for 1M, 3M and even 5M nib sizes. Packs of 8 and 16 markers are also available. I purchased some of the pens from Anupam store, some from HTC and some from even EBS, and I'll mention all the links in the description so you can check that out. So the best part about Posca pens packaging is that each pen is sealed even if you buy the set of markers. So it is better to open the seal only when you are going to actually use it. Like as you can see, there are many pens that are still sealed, so this basically increases the shelf life of the pens. For opening the seal of the pen, here's a trick. Just twist the pen from this side like this and the plastic will crack, and then you will be able to remove the plastic very easily without the use of any scissors or blade or cutter for that matter. Before using the Posca pen, shake it well so that all the paint is mixed inside the marker. Now if you remove the cap of the marker, you will see a white tip and the pen won't work. Relax, the pen is not a defective one. You need to activate paint markers before use. By activate I mean you have to press the nib onto a paper until the paint starts coming. Before doing that, shake the marker well. Don't forget to shake the marker so that the paint inside gets mixed. Now keep pressing the tip until you see the paint coming. Now after a while you will see that the white nib has turned to the color inside. So this one was blue, so now the tip has turned blue in color. So this is ready to use. There might be a possibility that you see too much water coming along with paint, or there might be too much paint coming at one time. That might be because you have not shaken the pen well. Shake the marker well every time you use it. You don't need to press the tip every time you use it, but shaking well before use is good. Now you can use this paint marker on paper, wood, ceramic, glass, etc. Depending upon the surface, you need to let it dry for some time because it's paint. Posca pens are easy to use and remove on glossy surfaces like plastic, ceramic, glass, etc. Like here I am using the pen on a piece of glass and I'll write a few words on it and see if it works fine. The only disappointing thing with paint marker is they come off if you scratch them. So for that you can apply a layer of spray varnish to seal it and protect it from smudge and water. If you don't know how to use a spray varnish, you can check that video on my channel. Since the glass is a glossy surface, the paint marker can be removed with some water or a wet wipe. So I'll use a wet wipe to remove the paint. The paint was still wet, so it was easy to remove, but even if it's dry, it can be easily removed using a wet wipe or some water or a tissue. The same happens with ceramic, plastic or any other such glossy surface because the glossy surface has not absorbed the paint. But if you use Posca pens over rough or matte surfaces like wood or the wall, it won't come off until you use a really strong paint remover on it. The same happens with paper too. This is because such surfaces absorb the paint and hence it is almost impossible to remove the paint. So be careful while using Posca pens on such surfaces. Lastly, I would like to show you some surfaces on which I have used Posca pens and I got really good results. So I designed all my sketchbook covers using Posca pens only. The covers are made of cardboard and hence they absorbed the paint, but some of them were glossy, hence it kinda like got cracked from a few spots. For the mural on the door of my room, I used a mix of acrylic paints and Posca pens. This mural is now permanent, and while drawing the mural, I could not remove it once it dried. So you have to be very careful while using Posca pens on such surfaces. I also made a leaf mandala on the kitchen cabinet and used Posca pens for outlines and to draw intricate patterns. This is water and smudge proof and won't come off until you use a paint remover.
So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning something new through this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next week with a new video. Bye.